Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting your keyboard and target field ready. Make sure the cursor is active where you want the sad emoji. Once done, locate the colon, hyphen, and right parenthesis keys so your fingers know the path. You want to decide whether you will type a classic emoticon or a spaced, stylized version for emphasis. This choice affects spacing and timing. Make those first keystrokes deliberate, because early rhythm helps you produce consistent, readable emoticons. Next, you build the emoticon step by step. Press colon, then minus, then open parenthesis to create. That ordering reads as eyes, nose, and mouth. Once you understand that sequence, try shorter, for speed, or add an apostrophe to signal crying. If your keyboard layout hides a character, use Shift or Alt combinations or the character map. This helps you adapt across devices. Practice the rhythm so your fingers land without looking. Finally, you finalize the look. Keep symbols contiguous for one emoji or add spaces to slow the reader down. This changes tone. Make sure autocorrect does not convert your punctuation into an emoji. If it does, turn that feature off or use an escape character, like a backslash. If a key is missing or different on your device, open the on-screen keyboard or copy-paste the emoticon from a quick note and practice once more so the motion becomes natural and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.